Here in this question we have to prove that sec theta plus tan cube theta into cosec theta equals to 2 minus a square whole raised to 3 by 2, given that tan square theta equals to 1 minus a squared. So in order to solve this question, we take the LHS of the equation first, which is sec theta plus tan cube theta into cosec theta, and multiply and divide the equation by sec theta. Which means sec theta by sec theta plus tan cube theta cosec theta by sec theta. Whole multiplied by sec theta. Moving on to the next step, sec theta by sec theta is 1 plus tan cube theta as it is. Now for cosec theta by sec theta we have a further simplification, which is cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, and similarly sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Upon cross multiplying we get cos theta by sin theta. So the substitute for cosec theta by sec theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Whole multiplied by sec theta. Moving on to the next step, which is 1 plus tan cube theta into cot theta, as cos theta by sin theta is cot theta by definition, into sec theta. Now sec theta can be expressed as 1 plus tan square theta. This is an identity. So we write 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Therefore, we can write that sec theta equals to under root 1 plus tan square theta. We put the same in the equation. Now we have 1 as it is, plus, as we know, tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. So we can take 1 of the tan theta from tan cube theta and multiply it by cot theta, which gives us 1. And the other tan square theta remains as it is, multiplied by under root 1 plus tan square theta. Thus we have 1 plus tan square theta as the power is 1, we can write 1 over there, multiplied by 1 plus tan square theta, and the power of this will be 1 by 2 as it is in the square root form. And we know the exponential identity that a raised to m into a raised to n equals to a raised to m plus n. So we will multiply it 1 plus tan square theta whole raised to 1 plus 1 by 2. Upon simplification we obtain 1 plus tan square theta whole raised to 3 by 2. We just have to add the fractions over here. Therefore, we get as tan square theta equals to 1 minus a squared. We substitute the value, which gives us 2 minus a square whole raised to 3 by 2. And that is what we had to prove.